immediate, we got action out of the DJI mic 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got 4 seconds out of the action 4 and the mic 2. It's showtime! 1. Oh man, now that's the way it should work. DJI. The DJI mic 2 is inconsistent in turning on. One, two. Man, now I'm getting it to work. Before I had trouble getting this on when it's close up, and that is a problem for me. Is the DJI mic 2 perfect? 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. Not bad. I could put this on over here and we'd be all set. And I could put my lav mic on, it's underneath the coat, and we could be all set. But I want to let you know that there is another problem. Now I'm going to do this. I'm going to set up the AI noise canceling. Then I'm going to shut you off and turn you on. And you're going to see the different colors in the light. Oh, I need to get close up for you. Yeah. This is AI. It's on. When it's off, it's going to blink. And then it's going to turn back on and say yellow. So let's turn this off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I got a buzz at 19 seconds. Well, yeah. It's not about AI voice, the noise canceling, causing the issue. But it's about sometimes the AI noise canceling doesn't come on. When you shut it off, it's off. So it doesn't stay locked on. This is a good microphone. It really is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus seconds. I'm on AI noise canceling. Can I tell if I'm on with the front screen and or back screen of the Osmo Action 4 and I got it in my pocket? No. I'm using a lavalier mic. Do I sound good with a lavalier mic located right over here by my glasses, right here? It's right in the open, right here. And I don't want really to, you're gonna hear some bumps, this and that. And I don't hear that on other mics. So maybe my mic I got moves around a little. It is what it is. Now, lavalier mics, they do a nice job. You hide your transmitter. You don't need to show a giant wind muff. We don't need to have that large of a wind muff, DJI. And I think I'm gonna get another wind muff and I'm gonna shave it down. Maybe I'll cut it down where the mic hole is at so I could put my lav mic in there and keep that, wind muff always on. It gives it a nice look, doesn't it? Yeah, I could give a count. What for? I know I'm not on the audio of DJI mic till I see comes on. Well, I'm sorry. I must have missed that little bump as a step. So yeah, this is taking a long time. That's why I may be better off just using, the camera as a standalone with no mic. Maybe it's because of Bluetooth. Maybe Bluetooth and remote control. Maybe it's just, too much or way ahead of its time. Maybe DJI needs to come up with a better system how to get it on. I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think that's the problem. I think the problem is we have to give it time to start. And maybe we gotta wait for Bluetooth 6.0 to come out. Well, you never know with the next generation of Bluetooth. Now somebody's gonna ask, well, isn't the receiver better to use because you have it plugged into the USB-C port? Well, DJI didn't offer us a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter adapter with the DJI mic kits, did they? Did they not? They could have offered us one, and that's the only thing they were missing. Well, one of the things is, how far does Bluetooth work? What's the range of it? Trying to keep it in line of sight. Okay, so I got the Bluetooth sitting out facing you in the open, and I'm not yet on Bluetooth waiting for it to connect. And we're going to do a range test. Do my best to walk backwards. Here we go. I want to do it nice and safely and see how far we can get before the sound drops out. So this is more than 100 feet we're walking. Line of sight of the camera. A tree may be in the way. The signal should bounce to you. Yes, indeed. DJI transmitter. Costs $99. You can get black and white. It has artificial intelligence, noise canceling. You're able to do some controls. My gain level is -3, I believe. It's on the updated firmware 04.something.83. I can't remember all these numbers. It's too much numbers to remember. I should be about that distance. I don't know if this is 100 feet. I feel 100 feet is a lot further than this. But I can give a count step of the distance I am. I am going to walk to the entrance. This is about, I measured 20 of the fences. And we're about number 18. And each fence part is 8 feet. So 8 times 10 is 160 feet right here. This is 160 feet where they claim it can go. You got it. How far? 600, 800 feet distance, 820 feet range. That's pretty good line of sight. So you should be able to hear me. I could go a little bit further and I turn around, you're going to hear me cut out. So what I'm going to do when I hit the, turn around, then I'm going to hit that tree, turn around, and I'm going to go a little closer, turn around. That's the farthest I can go. Line of sight, 1, 9, 10. Here we are. So let's go and just 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. I apologize if I can't count anymore. Right? That's 50 feet. Now I want to do one of these. Walk around the tree, you hear me have any interference when I'm facing you. So let's do another 50. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 100 feet. And I turn around. You can see right here, giving yipping yap. If you're still with me, this is 100 feet. Now, let me go to the camera. Should be about 75 feet towards here. So let's do another 50 count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. So here we are. 150 feet, another 25 feet, so it's 275. Woo, baby, 250 feet in all. You should be able to hear me doing good walking around. Don't need to turn. Just, talk. Nobody's going to be doing a thing over there. This is 25 feet from the camera, and it looks like I'm 50 plus feet away from the camera. This is the farthest you're ever going to be with the camera. So you're going to do your little sports, your little things, give the microphone to the kids so they can play their soccer and do your football, do your soccer, baseball, whatnot. You capture everything in review. Imagine if I put this on ultra wide. I would look like I'm a mile away. Now that's amazing that I went, oh man, all the way to the fence. From there, you heard me pretty fine. And of course, it all works on line of sight. That's the way these things are. When you turn around, you're telling it, oh, I gotta go bounce off something to get to the camera. And it makes it a greater distance. So if I turn around and I'm over here from where I was at, and you still heard me, that's great. It means it's working. It doesn't mean you could go 820 feet and be heard. It means it'll bounce all around an 820 foot radius. That's how I feel. Line of sight, your eyes to the camera, you'll get your video. So you always hear and you keep your line of sight. Now imagine if DJI comes out with tracking built into the transmitter, and you're using your OP3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and you walk around with your transmitter and it tracks you, rather having tracking on there. This would be better because it'll throw a signal and it cannot miss. Now, talking about the OP3, have you noticed Best Buy don't sell just the Pocket 3 standalone at $519, but they do sell open boxes. And do they go in and out of stock immediately that fast? Well, if you want to get the Creators Package Kit that has it all for a couple $100 more, they got them in stock. I did see it go out of stock and come back in stock. Yeah, artificial intelligence, noise canceling is on. Did you hear that? Got a camera. I'm not sure what camera. I want to say it looks like the Osmo action camera. Didn't look like a GoPro for sure. And had a front screen. And everything was off on it. Oh, yeah. So don't ask me if I saw the sound come on because I was looking at the e-scooter. Hey, Fish. What do you like better? Do you like the the standalone sound of the camera's DJI mic? Do you like the DJI transmitter sound of the mic 2? Do you like the lavalier mic that you have that you're using, which is a Godox? And are you going to be testing out the DJI lavalier mic? There's a lot we know with the sound that we like. Hey, Fish. We thank you for making these videos for us. We learn a lot from your tests, from your personal standalone. Well, this is the sound of the DJI, and then it's going to kick into the sounds of the DJI mic, and it's not going to have any. When I put my hand up, you'll see it when it kicks in on this one right here, and you'll see the differences in the sound quality. And I'm talking nice and low. If you got your camera just holding in hand, elbows length away, arms length away for some, you'll get a decent sound out of it and all. Well, it's over here right now, and I don't feel it. And the only thing I'm afraid I may lose is the magnet if it's on a heavy shirt. Well, I did say a lot, said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, talked a lot. Oh yeah, it's always fun sharing a video to the world. Well, So it's time for me to get on out of here, do another video, and get another video out there, do my talk and do my work. On that note, DJI Mic 2 kicks in. Or catch on many others. See you soon.